When a master plan is created, it is beneficial to combine small daily demands to meet the minimum reorder quantity of a specific production item. Opcenter planning has now integrated the shelf life and the lead time concepts into the MPS calculation for MTO items. So when evaluating the best production planning to meet the demand, the availability for utilization or shipping and the duration of raw, final, and intermediate products are taken into account. As a result, we get more effective stock control and minimize surplus or wasted inventory. Overall, this improvement in the planning process leads to a more efficient and sustainable approach to inventory management. Resources such as machines, areas, and production facilities are limited by their production capacity. Opcenter planning considers these capacity constraints when performing its master plan calculation. In addition to that, also energy, labor, and other constraints can be defined for a group of resources. However, in some cases, the above capability was too restrictive and led to unused capacity. Now, Opcenter planning implements a new set of optimized algorithms, allowing for better usage of the resources and ensuring that every machine, facility, and area is utilized to its full potential. By efficiently managing capacity constraints, unused capacity is minimized, leading to a more sustainable production process. With Opcenter scheduling and now also Opcenter planning, planners can have the ability to tailor their display preferences, data filtering, and chart aggregation to perfectly fit their unique needs. This personalized approach allows for a more efficient and effective planning process. When more than one planner is working on a schedule from different locations, it is crucial to know who's doing what. With concurrent user access tracking, everyone can stay up to date and informed about each other's activities. It's an easy way to keep everyone on the same page, no matter where they are. Reporting is crucial for any planner. A new report has been introduced to facilitate an intuitive comparison of key performance indicators across multiple scenarios. This feature streamlines the process of consistently selecting the most optimal choices. We believe that configuring a plan should be straightforward. That's why we've introduced a new configuration in our user interface, designed to simplify the configuration of setting BOM exposure levels.